Marketing your wholesaling business doesn't have to be complicated. We all want to get out here and get a bag in the real estate game. So in this video, I'm going to give you 11 effective wholesaling marketing strategies to start getting deals right away. The first marketing strategy I recommend is Bandit Signs. Bandit Signs are a great way for you to capture the attention of motivated sellers and cash buyers in your area. I recommend using the 18 by 24 sized signs and design them to stand out from the competition. Place them near trains and traffic lights that cause traffic to be backed up to get the best results. And be sure to abide by all your local laws to not get fined by law enforcement. The next marketing strategy is going to be door knocking. Get attention by simply walking up to houses that look like they could use some love. If you see vacant properties, knock on the neighbors' doors. They very often will give you all the information you need to get in contact with their former neighbor, as this property is bringing down the value of their own property. Bring some flyers and or other marketing material with you as well to leave with that seller and or neighbor. Speaking of flyers, flyers are a super affordable way to let customers know what you can do for them. Make sure you have various forms of contact information like your business email address, your website, and your phone number so people can reach out to you in a way that feels most comfortable to them. Leave them at libraries, community centers, at vacant houses, and anywhere else you can do so legally. The next marketing strategy is going to be direct mail marketing. Sending postcards and yellow letters to potential sellers will give you more opportunities to get your phone ringing. When it comes to direct mail, as with any other form of marketing, you'll get the best results when you focus on getting volume and consistency. In other words, you have to send out enough mailers and do it consistently. Strategy number 5 is going to be text messaging. Texting is one of the cheapest forms of marketing available to wholesalers. It's also a great way to warm up leads before getting on a phone call with them. There's tons of services you can use to send your text messages, so make sure that you check out the links down below for some of the companies that I recommend. And you can also download my text messaging script down below absolutely free with the link in the description of this video so you can start text messaging sellers right away. Cold calling is the most tried and true strategy on this list. If you want to make some money in this business, you have to give as many people as possible the opportunity to say yes every day. Automatic dialer companies like Call Tools and Mojo Dialer give you the ability to call over 100 people per hour. I recommend contacting at least 1,000 people per week, whether you're calling manually or with an automatic dialer when you're cold calling, to get the best results. If you want to avoid calling people and instead want to get them to call you, consider doing ringless voicemail drops. The seller's phones never rings, but they get a voicemail from you offering to buy their house. Expect to get phone calls back from homeowners, some of which may be interested in selling. This is a great method for people who have very little time or who are afraid to get on those calls. Strategy number 8 is one of my favorite strategies, and that's Facebook ads. They're a great way to put your lead generation on autopilot. People see your ad and have the ability to fill out a form to get a cash offer. So make sure that you check out the video I made on the channel that shows exactly how to make lead generation Facebook ads to start automating your lead generation. Google ads are actually how I got my first deal ever as a wholesaler. When we have a problem, we go to Google to get a solution for it. Google will allow you to capture the attention of people actively looking for a solution to their real estate problems. The second page of Google is like the graveyard, and getting on the first page naturally will take some time and money. But running automated Google ads will allow you to bypass the grind and start connecting with sellers right away. The 10th tip for this video is going to be pull yourself a list of distressed sellers online. My personal favorite list to pull is a vacant, high equity absentee owners list. I like to use PropStream, but there are other companies such as REWW and ListSource that can provide quality leads at an affordable price. If you want to contact thousands of sellers every month, pulling a list is one of the best ways to ensure you have ample data to work with. And the last marketing strategy I have for you all in this video is to leverage social media and Craigslist. All of the attention of the world is inside of our phones. Utilizing social media and Craigslist are great ways to start to capture the attention of sellers, local investors, and other wholesalers in your market who may have deals you can help them close on. Not only are these strategies free, very often they work just as good, if not better, than some of the paid for methods. Well, that's about it, guys. I need some feedback from you all. This could be the first of many of these whiteboard videos. If you like these types of videos and you found it helpful, hit that like button for me. If you don't like these types of videos and you found it annoying or whatever it may be, hit that dislike button for me. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you all think about these. But also, I hope that you all are feeling healthy, feeling blessed out there. And until next time, guys, I am out.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
All right, guys, so I'm trying a new concept in this video. Let me know, did you find this video helpful? Do you appreciate it? Do you think that it's going to help you learn this knowledge a little bit better? Or did you find it annoying? There, you like, look, hey, just stick to the videos where, I can see your face and you're talking to us and da-da-da-da-da. Let me know what you all think in the comment box. Look, you won't hurt my feelings. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. I really, really mean that. I would appreciate it. Let me know what you all think in the comment box as well. Let's have a conversation out here, guys. Once again, though, hope that y'all feeling healthy, feeling blessed. And until next time, guys, we are out.